In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from a bank account to PayPal. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you've gone ahead and logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and the first thing you're going to want to do, if you've not already, is link and add your bank account. So to do that, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top to these options up here, click on to pay and get paid, and underneath the wallet section, you're going to see bank accounts and cards. So go ahead and click onto that. So what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this, and at the bottom of the screen you can see I've already linked my bank account. However, if you've not done this, just go ahead and press the link a bank account button here, then go ahead and follow the steps to link and add your bank account. So once you've gone ahead and done that, from this screen, this is where you can come to add money to your PayPal from your bank account. If you look at the top, there's a button up here called add money. So what you need to do is click onto this button. You can also find this button on your homepage underneath your PayPal balance. You can see the add money button there. So you just want to go ahead and give that a click. Then what you need to do is go ahead and select the bank account that you want to add money from, and then click next at the bottom. So it's going to give you an idea of timescales and also any fees, if there's any fees. For myself, this is completely free to do, and you just want to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So for my example, say I wanted to transfer £10, you can see the fee is free. Just a note that transfers made on weekends or bank holidays take longer, and all transfers are subject to review and could potentially be delayed or stopped if there is an issue identified. So once you've done that, just go ahead and select next at the bottom, and then it's going to give you a review of your transfer. So you can see the bank account is coming from, and we can see it's going to our PayPal balance. The arrival is around 3 to 5 working days depending on your bank. Here we can see the amount and how much we're going to receive after any fees, if there's any fees applicable. So now all you need to do is press the transfer button underneath, and what it's going to do is process that through. As you can see, it says you withdrew 10 Great British pounds, estimated arrival 3 to 5 working days. You transferred money to your PayPal balance. All you need to do is click done, and that is how to go ahead and transfer money from your bank account to PayPal. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.